Good morning to all class. This is for class 7th MSc. Today we are going to start our next chapter. Chapter number 3, explanation of the chapter had been over. Now it is on page number 15. Page number 15, question answers. I am going to give you today the question answers. So first question is, do you think Rajiv's anger on the cricket field was justified? The answer is no, we cannot justify this anger on the cricket field. The way he behaved on the field, like kicking the stumps, verbal spats with the bowler and fielders, flinging that bat away, can damage his future. This is your answer number 1. I am repeating it. No, we cannot justify this anger on cricket field. The way he behaved on the field, like kicking the stumps, verbal spats with the bowler and fielders, flinging that bat away, can damage his future. So this is your answer number 1. Now see question number 2. What would you have done had you been in Rajiv's place? The answer of this question is, I will try to control my anger and concentrate on my batting. Second answer, I will try to control my anger and concentrate on my batting. This is your second answer. Now third question, what was the coach's advice to Rajiv? Third answer is, the coach advised concentrate on his game and take those things in his stride. This is your answer number 3rd. Now question number 4. Do you agree with the coach's advice? Do you think it will work for you? Fourth answer is yes, I completely agree with the coach advice because this advice helped in Rajiv's career life later. So the same method can be used by me also. This is your answer number 4. Yes, I completely agree with the coach advice because this advice helped in Rajiv's life later. So the same method can be used by me also. Now see question number 5. How would the story have ended if Rajiv hadn't controlled his anger? Answer number 5 is, if he hadn't controlled his anger, he may have got out in the game. That lead to the failure of the team and it will affect Rajiv's cricket career. Got this? Answer number 5, I am repeating. If he had controlled his anger, he may have got out in the game. That lead to the failure of the team and it affect Rajiv's cricket career. Now B part, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, Rajiv was angry because he couldn't stand criticism. The correct answer is false. First one answer is false. Second, Rajiv took offense at the sledging because he was conscious of his lack of batting skill. Answer is false. Second answer is false. Now coming on to third question. The coach wanted Rajiv to purge anger completely from within himself. The answer is true. Third answer is true. Fourth one, Rajiv excelled in the quarter-final match as he was able to redirect his anger in a positive way. The answer is true. Fourth answer, true. Now coming to the application question, A part. Suppose you are in a situation where you feel anger well up inside you and things threaten to get out of hand. Take the correct option you would choose. First one, talk to someone about it. First one is true. Second, suppress your feelings. This is also true. Second answer is true. Third, engage immediately in an activity you enjoy. C part is also true. C part is true. D, start taking deep breath. The answer is true. E, keep your thoughts centered on the situation. The answer is false. E answer is false. F, take a walk, giving yourself time to settle down. The answer is true. React violently, shout and scream. The answer is false. G answer, false. Vent your anger in a way that is not hurtful or offensive to other person. The answer is true. H answer is true. Now B and C part, this you have to do by your own. In B part, the extract is given, you have to read and find out the answers given below. Then in C part, what you feel is true, put correct on that statement. So this B and C part, this is your homework, this you have to do by your own. Now your chapter is completed. In next video I am going to explain you next chapter. Till then, thank you.